Ripple's blockchain cryptocurrency, XRP, has surged in value, startling onlookers. XRP has enthralled the cryptocurrency community with its parabolic price movement, sparking discussion over whether it may ever reach hundreds of dollars per token. The value of XRP tokens may range from $100 to $500 depending on the movement of the currency. Whale's mega money bags have increased the value of XRP in recent weeks, according to data. According to recent reports, these financiers purchased almost $1 trillion worth of 900 million XRP tokens. This enormous conglomerate increased market confidence in XRP's price by 122%. Arthur Azizov, CEO of B2 BinPay, stated that the massive Leviathan movement highlights a renewed belief in XRP's future, which is probably due to positive administrative developments and strategic initiatives that have repercussions. Expectations of a crypto-friendly president were heightened by Donald Trump's win. Crypto fans were encouraged by Paul Atkins' anticipated nomination as SEC chief because of his support for digital assets. If the Ripple Labs case is dropped, the market might finally receive clarification. Ryan Lee, lead analyst at Bitget Research, believes that the outcome of the SEC case might greatly increase the price of XRP. To bolster its position in the cryptocurrency market, Ripple also introduced the USD-pegged stablecoin RLUSD, which is backed by bonds and deposits. Until new leadership and direction are disclosed, conflicting signals from evolving laws may once more raise concerns in the business. Although lofty objectives can spur innovation, XRP's pricing targets are challenging to meet. With nearly 57 billion coins in use, the cryptocurrency market would be greatly outsized by $100 per coin. The previous price changes of XRP show how quickly values may change. According to financial analyst Julie J., it would be unprecedented for the currency to command the global authority indicated by hundreds of values. Nevertheless, given the widespread institutional and public reliance on it for everyday transactions, markets must undergo substantial change over time prior to widespread acceptance. Ripple's advances in cross-border payments have increased the use of XRP. XRP's value and acceptance increase as a result of financial institutions being able to conduct international money transactions more quickly and affordably. Investors are reassured that Bitcoin technology may advance thanks to Ripple's relationships with significant banks and remittance providers. Technological developments by themselves, according to some observers, won't drive the price of XRPs to all-time highs. According to expert Andrew Masterson, XRP's real-world application and utilization are where its genuine promise rests. We should monitor which major payment networks and international organizations employ XRP settlement rather than speculating. Only then will the impact of XRP on the trillion-dollar market for cross-border payments become clear. Concentrated purchases by important holders, anticipation of upcoming limits, and technological advancements have all contributed to XRP's ascent. But it's doubtful if $100, $300, or $500 will be reached each coin. It would take a much higher total market value and more widespread use than it does now to reach such prices. Given the multitude of variables influencing cryptocurrency market value, prudent investors ought to be skeptical of these projections. A cautious long-term approach is recommended due to the uncertain, complex factors that influence emergent asset values over both short and long time periods. Breaking news: the stock market and the cryptocurrency market meltdown are discussed in the last video. Following the FOMC meeting, the Fed rate drop, and other unfavorable market conditions, the market declined. During the downturn, whales purchasing XRP led to panic selling and drops in the price of Bitcoin. According to a chart expert, a lot of scared customers bought XRP during this downturn. Whales frightened regular investors. In anticipation of a resurgence, whales bought XRP in the fall. A number of analysts have observed mania's propensity to attribute these catastrophes to contemporary events. The market is not frightening because it is dynamic. The Fed cannot retain Bitcoin, according to a Daily Hodl misquote. Stocks wouldn't have dropped if the Fed couldn't retain Bitcoin. Sandinment, an on-chain analytics business, revealed yesterday night that stock and cryptocurrency speculators were alarmed by the FOMC interest rate cuts. Sandinment reports losses for XRP and altcoins. Large drops in riskier projects are valued by them. Similar to XRP, this typically comes after a significant decline. The Glassnode co-founders, Tropics X account dropped another buy not purchased to $99,000 as a result of Powell's hawkish tone. The third largest outflow day of the year, Bitcoin is departing the exchange at historic rates after hitting $100,000. Ultimately, the crypto market crash was brought on by the FOMC meeting, the Fed rate cut, and market reaction. Investors in whales have frequently lost the most in the pursuit of profit. Recovery is aided by increased November accumulation. Many are not in the market, even if they wish to sell. TechDev, a chart analyst, displayed 5 yield charts for 10 Treasury bonds, Dogecoin, domination, and Bitcoin. According to him, the market will close in January 2021. When TechDev pointed out unforeseen circumstances that led to 4 months of Bitcoin market frenzy, history was repeated. He has a ridiculous expectation that Bitcoin will soon hit another record high. Money that could change your life will overheat and fall. Sales should be close to, but exactly at, the market high. Continue until the market runs out, which should happen by the end of the year. The speaker makes an effort to sell everything, despite its flaws. Prepare, but don't assume they'll fail. Many of you will like connecting they believe. Many listeners might be influenced by this. The present cycle is contrasted with 2016 and 2017, particularly 2016, in another post by a developer. He maintained that the market fall was not random and that cryptocurrency growth was non-linear. Nothing climbed straight, he said. At 9:54 a.m. Central Time, chart analyst Ali Martinez reported that whales had purchased 110 million XRP in a single day, a significant drop. XRP fell 20% from $2.70 to $217. A recovery is likely following the market declines and the accumulation wave in November. Despite the challenge of selling everything, a lot of investors think the future will be profitable and expanding. Bitcoin quickly lost a quarter of its value. Crypto is frequently acquired by wealthy people or institutions. Nonetheless, a lot of market participants maintain their optimism. Dom, a chart analyst, used a Bitcoin channel analysis to forecast a market bottom. Short-term trends may turn negative as a result of channel breaches. Alts follow Bitcoin, he added, and $244 is fantastic. Nick Crypto Crusader, a crypto chartist, claims that XRP displays the inverse head and shoulders pattern. According to him, prices are highest at the bottom and lowest at the top. Despite the inverted chart, the price might have gone 4 cents over the target. Many think that XRP is nearing the bottom of the cryptocurrency market. The lowering of 25 basis points and the optimistic expectation for cryptocurrency in 2025 are the main changes. Sometimes it's best to assume it can go lower. Most importantly, it has no effect on events that occur at higher times. The price of Bitcoin has risen to an all-time high. Tony Serino, a chart guru, gave the entire XRP BTC quarterly chart high marks. The 3-month candlestick above the Bollinger Band base is the first buy indication since April 2019. The narrowest bands have ever been found in XRP BTC. The Bitcoin market has finally crashed, but this is not concerning. There will probably be months of financial difficulties. The author notes that XRP+'s Binger bands have been getting tighter in relation to the dollar since April. They claim that the tightness in XRP should increase as a result of years of artificial market constraints. The author believes that XRP could surpass Bitcoin. Strength is indicated when the 3-month relative strength indicator, which is based on the RSI-based moving average, surpasses 50. Swings peaked when the RSI was above 50, and the 3-month Fisher transform turned positive with a multi-year bullish divergence. The TMMCD is getting closer to bullishness and losing its negative momentum. Though not overbought, the 3-month stochastic displays %K at an all-time high. Chart analysts don't evaluate these measurements because they are aware of them and don't want traders to lose money. They advise adhering to XRP chart experts who might eventually agree. When this